Hello friends, I am Pritam Burman, Chemistry Honours first semester of Mathamanga College. Today I will discuss about the carbene intermediate. At first, what is carbene? Carbenes are divalent carbon compounds, carbon atoms of carbenes from only two bonds in their molecules with two unshared electrons which may be paired or unpaired. Carbenes are neutral species and not ionic. It is short-lived and highly reactive species. For example, methylene. Now, formation of carbene. Carbenes are formed by the alpha elimination reaction and from the diazo compounds. Alpha elimination reaction. Alpha elimination means removal of two atoms from the same atom. For example, CHBr3 with the presence of PHLi and heat, it generates LiBr and dibromocarbene. From diazo compounds. Diazo compounds serve as a good source for obtaining many carbenes. Diazo compounds generate carbene on photolysis or thermolysis process. Here in the example, the carbene generated from the diazomethane by the thermolysis process. Now, types of carbenes. Carbenes can be classified into two types. One is singlet carbene and the other is triplet carbene. Here the classification is the based on the arrangement of two unshared electrons in the orbitals. Singlet carbene. In the singlet carbene, two unshared electrons are present in the same orbital, so they experience more repulsion carbon in sp2 hybridized state. The bond angle of singlet carbene is less than triplet carbene. The bond angle between two hydrogen of singlet carbene is a smaller bond angle and it is about 100 degree to 110 degree. Triplet carbene. Only one unshared electron is present in each orbital. Therefore, less repulsion is there and bond angle increases. The bond angle of triplet carbene is about 130 degree to 150 degree. Now the stability of carbenes. Most of the carbenes are stable in the triplet state because the energy is gained by the bringing down the electron in the p orbital into the sp2 orbital is insufficient to overcome the increased repulsion existing between the two electrons when present in a single orbital. Reaction of carbenes. If the singlet carbene adds to cis-2-butene, the resulting cyclopropane should be cis isomer, since the movement of the two pairs of electrons should occur either simultaneously or one rapidly succeeding another. On the other hand, however, if the attack is by the triplet species, the two unpaired electrons cannot both go into a new covalent bond, since by the Hund's rule they have parallel spin. So, one of the unpaired electrons will form a bond with electron from double bond that has the opposite spin, leaving two unpaired electrons that have the same spin and therefore cannot form a bond at once but must wait until by some collision process one of the electron can reverse its spin. During this time there is free rotation among carbon-carbon bond and a mixture of cis and trans 1,2-dimethyl cyclopropane should result. Here the reaction.